Yo, what's up guys? I'm Lance. Welcome back to the Vegas vlog. And today we're going into the Raiders Preview Center. We're gonna check out the whole museum and where you buy your tickets for the Raider Stadium. Stay tuned. So we're here in the main hallway, and it's TV crazy. This is really, really cool. You walk in, there's these giant screens that all the way down the hallway. It's pretty dope. Like being in the game. Green screen. This is cool to have a green screen. You can put yourself in pictures. Snap a picture, shall we? Okay, so right here, it's pretty dope. It's a touchscreen wall, so you could check out your favorite players. You know, say you want to see, I don't know, Cook. Hit Cook, it pops up right there. Click it. Rosters. It's really freaking cool. It's all touchscreen. Just a couple of them. Alright, so this is a 3D replica of the stadium, virtual stadium. You can hit different levels. We'll show you each level, how it's gonna look and what's gonna be on the level. It's pretty dope. Also shows like when you arrive, where you're gonna enter, like shows you everything, you know. It's really cool. Come check it out. There's a lot of free stuff. And if you're really interested in buying tickets here, this is where you come to buy the tickets for the Raider Stadium. So.
Vegas vlog, baby!